Now, a lot of these models, I found them as they are. I mean, they have a lot of dirt, missing parts, or whatever. This one, I have no clue which belongs to, but this is a remote control flip face Thomas. I don't know if this belongs to that one. And here is another remote control. Percy. Oh, look at this. I think this was a remote control Percy. Yes, Renea's shell, Bell, another Bolstrol, and I think this was um, whatever Emily, Trackmaster 2. All this for parts and repair. Part of the Rocky the Crane comes with a lead. I don't know about this one. So be advised that these are for parts repair and they might contain a lot of dirt. So just so you know, these are for parts and repair, spare parts only. None of these work. As always, link below.